Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, so today we're making a sweet and spicy rice with jasmine rice with using only one pot and no additional pans or anything like that, because we want to make sure that we use one pot only, and the less pots and pans you use, the less you have to clean and the less water you ultimately waste, and ultimately you help save the environment by not wasting too much water on rinsing various dishes. So I've got my little 1 quart pot here as usual, good enough for making enough rice for one person, maybe 2 people, maybe 3 depending on how much you eat. And to it I'm going to add 2 cups of water. About a tablespoon of butter, some salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, about 2 tablespoons of honey, one garlic clove grated, turn on the stove, wait until it boils, and then we'll add a cup of jasmine rice. That's okay. That's okay. Whew. All that cayenne pepper. So now that our water is boiling, we're gonna add the 1 cup of jasmine rice. Give it a bit of a mix and boil that on a low setting for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, beautiful, sweet, and spicy yellow rice. I can just smell that cayenne pepper coming through that rice. Wow. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's got a bit of a spicy aftertaste. It's not that bad. I like that. That's pretty good. Give it a try.